welcome to Sky Broking Equity Weekly Market Commentary. Disclaimer: this weekly market commentary is for information purpose only. Before taking any decision, consult your financial advisor. Now let's see the fundamental analysis. Checking out the global cues. Right now, the most important economic data released for the Fed is inflation data. Wall Street is buying the Fed's hawkish turn and is pricing in rate hikes at every policy meeting for the rest of the year, with the next two policy decisions delivering supersized rate hikes of 50 basis points. The latest inflation report is expected to show pricing pressures are intensifying, with a March reading showing an 8.5% gain from a year ago. Let's move on to the domestic use. The Reserve Bank of India left its headline policy rate unchanged on Friday. This is positive for the market. India continues to buy Russian commodities such as oil and coal. There are geopolitical risks associated with this from the Western powers, and the free line India is treading will be an ongoing negative risk to the INR and domestic markets. India releases industrial production, manufacturing, and most importantly, inflation midweek. The latter could heighten tightening risks around RBI policy and potentially be negative for equities. Major results of this week: TCS on Monday and Infosys on Wednesday. HDFC Bank and ICICI Pru Life on Saturday. So these are this week's fundamental analysis. Now let's see the technical analysis. Nifty may expect a mixed trade in between 17,351 to 17,918 levels. Bank Nifty may expect a mixed trade in between 36,992 to 38,807 levels. So these are this week's technical analysis. Now let's see the derivative analysis based on the option chain analysis. Highest open interest for call side is 18,500 strike, and for the put side is 17,000 strike. Overall 1,500 points band, and the expiry is on 13th April. This week expiry is on Wednesday. Now let's see the PCR analysis. Nifty PCR OI has decreased with Nifty positive close, and when compared with the previous week, which shows call buying is seen. India VIX has settled in 17.69, and when compared with the previous week, it had ended with a low, which shows chances of decreasing the volatility. So these are this week's derivative analysis. Now let's check out the recommendations. Coming to the cash corner, buy Tata Steel near 1,353. The target is 1,430 with the stop loss 1,290. Buy Grasim near 1,730. The target is 1,815 with the stop loss 1,650. Coming to the F&O corner, sell Nifty future near 18,090. The target is 17,990 with the stop loss 18,190. Based on the option strategy, bear call spread, sell Nifty 18,000 call option near 60, buy Nifty 18,150 call option near 27. 13th April will be the expiry. Once the strategies give 30 points means book profit. Moving on to the institutional activity. According to the previous week, the FII net sellers were minus 6,337.53 crores, and for the April month, the net sellers are minus 4,427.75 crores. According to the previous week, the DII net buyers were 4,161.54 crores, and for the April month, the DII net buyers are 3,977.75 crores. So these are this week's Equity Weekly Market Commentary. For more market updates, join our Telegram channel and the YouTube channel. Thank you by Sky Broking.